Hi. How are you? Okay. Nasaan ang loko dyan? Kakain na raw. Uy, punta na kayo doon. Alas 7 na.
Is it ready?
Inaayos na. Hindi pa nga, pero inaayos na. Do you have to sit down or later? Do we have to sit down?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Wait, yeah. While they are preparing, you have to sit down here. Yeah. Yeah. Arigato.
Arigato. そうですね、こちらは
お酒ですね。
Mm-hmm.
アルコホール。
Alcohol, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Alin daw ang number 1? Yan. Wow, ang pogi naman ng bata.
It's a thing. It's like an alley.
Ibig mo sabihin, yun lang ang pagkain natin?
Oh, paano magkukuha na to? Yan.
That's it. Oh, I want to try this.
Yan.
Ikaw naman, be.
Magbibigay
Mm.
ka dati.
Oo, nakaupo ako. Sige.
Ano to?
Alcohol, sake.
No, is it sake?
Sa
I thought you guys didn't order sake.
kasama. It's included. Hindi naman matapang.
Oh, ang ganda ng kuno yan. Oh, nag-a-ice.
Oo. Itadakimasu. Ito yung ganun sa kinain natin sa sa tour. Ano? Wow. Ito raw ang unang kakainin, sabi ni Mama. Ganun sa kinain natin. Parang lasang mani. Sarap ito. Oo. Ano nasa ilalim na yun?
Bubuksan yan.
Ito.
Ito ang mga pagkain. Wow. Beautiful. Maya. Kasi dumadating eh. O yun na ang dinner natin.
Ito lang.
Charger.
Ito lang.
Wala na?
Pwede ba higupin to? Harap. Ilagay dito.
What is this?
Resting. Wow. Ilagay natin to dito. Yan.
Hindi, dyan din yan. Nakalagay. Huwag mo alalabas sa pan. Masama yun.
Ano? Masama
Mm-mm.
talaga?
No, that's
Ah.
this is disrespectful.
Ano dyan mo ikuan? Huwag mo ilalabas. Kaya yun yung nakakuhan.
Oo, kakainin na to, syempre. Yun na lang daw ang number 1.
Ang sarap nito. Ano yun? No? Lamig. Ano ba yan? Ha?
I'm not sure. Okay.
Sa video.
I don't know what it is, but I like it.
Wow. Ang ganda ng dahon.
Naloko na po, kababaw.
You're from me.
Mm.
Ano ito? Yan.
Ang ganda ng dahon, Bi, oh. Perfect. Look at that.
Authentic Japanese.
This is a once in a lifetime experience.
Mhm.
It's so expensive if you're gonna make it every day. Every day is 1,600.
Mm.
Kailangan talaga once in a lifetime.
Mhm.
I mean, I'm sure people come back for that, like,
No. Anniversary.
yeah, anniversary, honeymoon, maybe.
Honeymoon. Sarap. I think one is mine.
Mhm.
And daddy.
Mhm.
Jajet ordered.
How about
I
this
think
one?
this is what Jajet ordered.
Mhm.
That's yours.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
can try.
Tatlo
Yeah.
rin ang baso eh, oh.
Kanya yan. Alam ko, umorder yan na sake.
Mhm.
Di ba? Something sake.
Sure. Let me try.
Yun ang amin ni daddy. Oh.
Yeah.
May chef yan.
Yeah. Local.
Ang sarap, no? Kanin pala yun.
Yeah, that's good.
Na may...
I'm not sure what is it, fish or meat or.
Ang sarap. Manamis-namis.
Guys, if you wanna try.
Manamis-namis.
Kaya po.
That sake is good.
Oh.
I thought this was the sake. I was like,
Yeah. I remember you ordered sake.
I did, yeah. Why did you guys order? Like, you
Eh.
didn't even try anything local. You just ordered sparkling soda.
I don't drink alcohol. Ha?
Oh, that's potato. Sweet potato. You ordered
Dali ako na yung isa. Bebe, paabot na isa.
that's for your
Oh,
thing.
thanks,
This is for your water.
Mhm. Mm.
So this is how you used to live in Japan.
Wow. Atunaw sa bibig ko.
Yeah, it's like a
Anong pa yan?
I mean, okay.
Anong prutas
It's a
yun?
fruit, yeah.
Ah, ito?
Mhm.
Ito?
Yeah.
Oh? Akala ko grape.
No,
No.
tinan mo, matutunaw sa bibig mo.
There's a bit. No, don't bite into it.
Ang sarap. Ah,
Parang...
parang ano. Ayun na,
Plum?
pagkain na naman.
Plum ba yun?
Hmm. Dami palang pagkain eh. Hmm. Talagang kakatok. Sarap ito, masarap din to, bebe.
Appetizer pa lang. Appetizer pa lang.
The one. Sarap naman.
So this is the bowl of soup. Sea eel powdered with arrowroot starch. Water shield yuzu aromatics citron in a clear soup. And then this is the raw fish dish. Sea bream or grunt.
Can you take a photo, Jeff, so that we know what we eat? Do you
Take
have
out with this.
yeah. So that we can put the name.
Sarap.
So this is raw fish dish. Sea bream or grunt tuna squid with garnish of shredded radish. There might be alterations in it.
I like this.
Okay, so this is fresh.
Sea bream, ang sarap niyan. Oo. I love this sparkling water.
Ano ito, be?
Soup.
Can I have some a little bit of your sparkling?
Sure.
Just a little bit.
Tanggal baby ang buwan.
That's fine. Right?
Tanggal ang suya. Soup. So, baka ano ito, gaganyanin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, I think. Do you put it here? No.
Wow.
Wow, very fresh. Daddy, oh.
Mm-hmm.
Sea eel powdered with arrowroot starch. Kuzu. Water shield yuzu. Aromatic citron in clear soup. Water soup. Wait, I have to take a picture of our second thing.
Ilan pa ang darating?
Two more, I think.
2 more? Wow.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. That's takpan ko muna. Ganda na camera. Wow, sasawsaw dito. Lalagyan ng konting wasabi. Yan.
Saan ang wasabi?
Yan, lalagyan ng konting wasabi. Sa
Sana
kulay
pa
ko.
picture tayo.
You wanna try some?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, ang sarap!
Ito?
How is it? Good.
Ang sariwa!
Mm-hmm. Look at this.
The fish is so firm. Hindi siya yung...
Sarap, no?
The fruit earlier is candy green plums.
Yung sabi ko na
And
ikulam
then,
yun.
yeah, it was sweet potato seasoned with sugar.
Yung bilog na malaki.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung kuha.
What is this now? Stewed bamboo shoot seasoned with sweet and soy sauce. All of this. Yeah.
Yun yung nasa maliit.
This was the rice, ball-shaped vinegar rice topped with a slice of conger pike. So this fish,
Ang
right?
sarap nitong sashimi.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Grabe.
Mm.
Ooh, the little wasabi.
Mm. Okay, okay. Kain ka. Sarap. Wishy. Look at the soup.
Grabe.
Mm-hmm. Sarap.
Lagay ko mga nata wasabi.
Fresh na fresh ang sabaw, ano? Ang soup. Love it.
Yung si Manong parang laging yun nagawa.
Mm.
Nakikita ko sa video.
Mm.
Oh,
Yun ang may-ari.
really?
Mm. Kung ito eh, family kwan. Mm.
Jeff Fair.
Baby, oh.
Ang
Look at
busog
this,
kaya- Ang busog kaya dito yung ang sarap. Hindi yung...
Oh, look at this, oh. Anong soup ito, be?
Sea eel powdered with arrowroot starch.
Mm.
This is eel. Wait. Sea eel, yeah.
savory.
Mhm.
Walang kalansa-lansa. Tapos siya ay napaka-firm. Alam mo yung sariwang sariwa. Firm siya eh. Kung ito'y hindi sariwa, di medyo malata na. Grabe.
Lovely.
May kinain akong ugat-ugat. Ano yun?
Mhm. Okay na, meron na naman. Mhm. Mm. Sarap ng wasabi.
If you have any more wasabi, give it later.
Nilagay ko na agad yung kamera.
Wow. That's beautiful. Mm.
じゃあこれがそうね。お誕生日はバースデーですよね。バースデー？
Yeah, birthday.
でこち
And
らはなんていうの？こちらはそういう。それとあちらはお二人にね。
Married, 34 years anniversary.
anniversary. Yeah, thank you. Domo arigato.
ありがとうございます。And これはthis is Japanese people
Mhm.
anniversary day. あ、じゃあ Japanese people eat
Mhm.
Japanese anniversary day. Okay. カレー焼いてで食べます。レッドライスね。
Mhm. Mhm.
ごめんなさい。
Alright. Ah, oishi.
ありがとうございます。英語を取られちゃったから。はい、どうぞ。
Yeah. Mhm. Thank you.
させていただきます。
Okay.